Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download Wells Fargo app. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Play Store app, and once you open your Play Store app, you need to go in your search engine and type in Wells Fargo. So once you type it in, you will find the Wells Fargo mobile app. So you need to simply tap on it and press on the install button. So in matter of minutes, the Wells Fargo app will start to get downloaded, and once the download process is completed, it will start to get installed in your device as well. So once the installation is also completed, then you can simply tap open your Wells Fargo app, and in this way you can download the Wells Fargo app on your device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.